Okay, today I have assembled a variety of star tips for decorating. The ones in the back are mainly used for cupcakes to make big fluffy rosettes on the cupcake. The ones in the front are more interchangeable. They're used with couplers, or you can just use it singly in a bag. And these ones are the most popular in the front. This is like a 16, a 18, a 20, a 22, and I've got a 21 on here. And those are the main ones that they usually use, but there's a variety of ones that you can try out. So I'm going to teach you right now the different techniques of using a star tube. Okay, I got star tip number 21 in, and I'm first going to show you just the star, and you just press and then stop and release. Press, stop, release. And you can make these bigger or smaller. A lot depends on your tube. Other times you can just add more pressure to the tube to make it more fatter. So that is the star. Now this is a shell border. You lift up and then release. You lift up, and now your bag's at an angle. Up and release. Next one I'll show you is a little flat flower, and you're just going to hold it still and turn the bag slightly and press up. Release and go up. Then what you can do is you could take a different color tube, different color icing, and basically just put a little dot in the center. There we go. And then the next one is a border. It could be on the side of a cake. I'm going to turn it slightly. You just find your rhythm and the space between. You can even make it smaller, and they go together more. Otherwise you can go swiggle back and forth, which reminds me of that one, but you're just moving the bag different. Then you can make bigger string work on a side of a cake, which you'll go, usually this is the side. And a sheet pan is awesome for practice, getting your rhythm and the spacing between. And another method is you can go like this. It's kind of a rope. You just keep on twisting like a rope pattern. I'm going to get some more icing, and I've got a few more to show you. Now this is going to be a rosette. I'm going to just turn it. Or you can, it's more comfortable for me to turn it the other way. Sorry. Usually end it and you don't. Like, there's another one that goes like this that I like to do on a cake, where you go this way, then this way, then this way. I call it a swirl in different directions. Or you can keep your swirl in the same direction. And then just start off and do it again. So it's just swirl. And so this gives you an idea. Again, this is another rosette. And like I said, people just make the rosettes a little bit. It's, again, more comfortable for me to make it this way. And you can put them close together or a little bit apart, and you can make those different sizes too. And there you go. There are several different ways with just one star tube that you can decorate with.